Hello, today we're going to look at basic trigonometry in right angled triangles. In any right angled triangle we're going to have an angle we're working with, usually called x or theta. In a right angled triangle there is always the hypotenuse, the side not attached to the right angle. Relative to the marked angle there is a side attached to it called the adjacent, and that leaves a third side which is the one not attached to the angle, which is the opposite. This gives us three ratios. Sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and tan is opposite divided by adjacent. The usual mnemonic for this is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So here in example 1 we have a right angled triangle with a marked angle of 27 degrees, a hypotenuse of 38.4 meters, and an unknown side which is the opposite of y. So if we have the opposite and the hypotenuse, we're working with sine. So sine 27 is y divided by 38.4, and do that on the calculator and it's 0.454. So if side y divided by 38.4 is 0.454, then side y is 0.454 multiplied by 38.4, which gives us a length of 17.4 meters. Moving to example 2, here we have a triangle with a marked angle of 58 degrees, an adjacent next to it of 23.8 kilometers, and an opposite of side W. So in this case we have a marked angle of 58 degrees, an adjacent of 23.8, and an unknown side to work out, which is the opposite. So in order to do this we need to use the ratio of opposite and adjacent, which is tan. So tan 58 is opposite divided by adjacent, which is side W divided by 23.8, and use a calculator, and that turns out to be almost exactly 1.6. So if side W divided by 23.8 equals 1.6, then side W is equal to 1.6 times by 23.8, which gives us a final answer of 38.09 kilometers.